What additional security measures should I take to protect my bank account?
Hello everyone. In today's digital world, securing your bank account has become more important than ever. With the increase in online transactions and digital banking, we must ensure that we take all necessary precautions to prevent unauthorized access to our accounts. In this video, we will discuss some additional security measures that can help you protect your bank account.
Why is bank account security important?
Bank account security is critical to protect your hard-earned money from potential fraud and cyber attacks. With the rise of online banking, scammers have more opportunities than ever to access your personal and financial information. It is vital to be proactive and take the necessary steps to keep your account secure.
How can I strengthen my password?
Your account's first line of defense is a strong password. Try to avoid simple or predictable passwords, and never use personal information that could be easily guessed, such as birthdays or your pet's name. Instead, use a complex combination of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and special characters. It is also advisable to change your password periodically, at least every 3 to 6 months.
What is two-factor authentication, 2FA, and why should I use it?
Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is an additional layer of security that requires not only your password and username but also something unique that you possess. This could be a physical token, a fingerprint, or a one-time code sent to your mobile device. Enabling 2FA on your account significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if someone gets hold of your password.
How can I protect myself against phishing attacks?
Phishing attacks are a common method scammers use to try to get your personal information. They can send emails or messages that look like they're from your bank, asking you to confirm your account details or password. To protect yourself, never click on links or download attachments from emails or messages that you weren't expecting. Always double-check the sender's email address and remember that your bank will never ask for your password via email or text.
How regularly should I monitor my bank account?
Regularly monitoring your bank account helps you spot any suspicious activity. Aim to check your account at least once a week. Look for any transactions you don't recognize, and report them to your bank immediately. Protecting your bank account involves a mix of vigilance, regular checks, and utilizing enhanced security measures offered by your bank. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can go a long way towards securing your hard-earned money. Stay safe, stay secure. We hope you found this video helpful and wish you secure banking ahead.